Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about farm animals.
What are these animals?
These are farm animals.
Very good. Okay, tell me, how many cats are there in first row?
There are 4 cats in first row.
Okay, now tell me, what is the sound of cat?
Meow, 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 meow,
How many dogs are there in second row?
There are 4 dogs in second row.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And what is the sound of dog?
Woof, 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 woof.
How many sheep are there in third row?
There is only 1 sheep in third row.
What is the sound of sheep?
Ba, 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 ba.
How many goats are there in third row?
There is only 1 goat in third row.
And what is the sound of goat?
Meh, 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 meh.
Very good. How many horses are there in third row?
There is only 1 horse in third row.
What is the sound of horse?
Me, 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 me.
Bravo! Okay, now tell me, how many cows are there in fourth row?
There are 2 cows in fourth row.
Very good. Now tell me the sound of cow.
Moo, 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 moo.
How many ducks are there in fourth row?
There is only 1 duck in fourth row.
Very good. Now tell me the sound of duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
Bravo! So these are
Farm animals.
very good.